Hello students, the topic of the speech is Independence Day. Respected principal, esteemed teachers, honored guests, parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to everyone. It is a great honor and responsibility to stand before this august gathering as we celebrate one of the most significant days in our nation's history. Today, it has been 79 years since our nation became free on 15th August 1947. On this historic day, we bow our heads in gratitude to the brave freedom fighters whose courage, sacrifice, and unwavering faith made our independence possible. They did not fight only for freedom from foreign rule, they dreamed of an India built on justice, equality, peace, and opportunity for every citizen. As we celebrate this milestone, we must remember that freedom is not merely a right but also a responsibility. The future of our nation depends not only on our achievements but also on our values. Every time we choose honesty over dishonesty, kindness over hatred, discipline over carelessness, and unity over division, we strengthen the foundation of our country. India is a nation blessed with incredible diversity. We speak different languages, follow different traditions, and celebrate different festivals, yet we proudly share one identity, that we are Indians. This unity in diversity is one of our greatest strengths and a value we must always protect. As students, we have an important role in shaping the future of our nation. The classrooms we sit in today are preparing the leaders, scientists, doctors, engineers, teachers, artists, entrepreneurs, and innovators of tomorrow. By learning with dedication, thinking critically, respecting our constitution, protecting the environment, and serving society with compassion, we can contribute meaningfully to India's progress. As we look towards the future, let us dream of an India that is educated, innovative, inclusive, environmentally responsible, and filled with opportunities for every citizen. Let us become young people who do not wait for change but become the reason for change. On this 80th Independence Day, let us honor the sacrifices of our freedom fighters not only with our words but through our actions. May we always remain responsible, hardworking, and proud citizens who strive to make our nation stronger with every passing day. Happy 80th Independence Day to all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.